In this tutorial, we will see what is latex, how latex works, how to install it on Windows platform, and at the end we will create a minimal latex document. Latex is a typesetting system. It contains formatting commands. So actually, you can also say it is a document processing or formatting system. The philosophy behind latex is that the author should focus on writing the document and let the latex do the formatting. Now to install latex on Windows, we have to install three softwares. The first one of those is MikTeX. MikTeX is a free and open source software and also cross-platform, which means it is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. The benefit of MikTeX is it installs latex compiler and all the necessary packages required to compile the latex document. It downloads and install the packages as and when required, keeping the latex installation minimal on your platform. The next software is the editor that you will need to write a latex document. You can use a simple text editor like Notepad, but there are some specialized editors for writing latex document. I will mention three of those. First one is TeXmaker. This is a free software and available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. Second one is Text Studio. This is also free software and cross-platform, means it is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. And the third one is Technic Center. It is also free software, but it's only available for Windows platform. It has a premium version as well, which is paid version, but the basic version is enough for writing any latest document. So you can install any one of these. It's your personal preference. I have installed TeXmaker, and I will use this for writing the latest document. The last software is Jabref. This is used to create and maintain database of references. Again, it is a optional software. You can create and maintain reference databases using any simple text editor like Notepad as well. Anyway, so once you have installed MikTeX and Jabref and any one of these text editor, your system is ready for writing and compiling latest documents. Now let's open up TeXmaker and write a simple latest document, a minimal latest document, uh, just to mention the structure of the latest document. Now the latest document has two sections. One is called Preamble and the second is called Document Environment. Uh, in the preamble, there are some commands that are only available in the preamble. The first of those command is document class command, and all the latest command, whether they are written in the preamble or in the document environment, all these commands start with the backslash. So backslash document class. I have removed these bar brackets. We will see later on what is the use of bar brackets. Right now we will only focus on curly braces. Curly braces are used to provide parameters to the command. Parameter is simply an input to the command. Here we will mention the name of the document class, which will tell the latest compiler what type of document I want to compile. So I will write here article document class. There are many different predefined document classes for creating different types of documents. For example, article is used to create a research paper, a simple article, or a small report. If you want to write a book, the document class is called book. If you want to create a PDF presentation, the document class is called Beamer, and so on. You can read about them on the LaTeX website. After the document class, I will create my document environment, and the command to create a document environment is begin document and end document. Actually, begin document is used to create to start the document environment, and end document is used to end the document environment. Now all my document will be written between these two commands. Let's say if I want to write a report or a thesis or a presentation, so I will write my text or my content in these two commands, which is called the document environment. So this is the minimal basic structure of a latex document. Now let's write only one line in our document environment. This is my first latex document. Let's save this file by the name sample. The latest file have an extension .tex, simply called .tex. However, when you are writing any one of these editors, you don't have to type the extension. The editor will type the extension when you will save the document. So it is saved by the name sample.tex. Now by clicking on this button, this editor will pass on this file to the latest compiler, giving it the necessary commands, passing it on the necessary commands to give the output in the form of a PDF file. So let's click on this button, latex. This is my first. Oh, there is a spelling mistake in article. So here is the output from the latest compiler, which is a PDF file by the name sample.pdf containing my text, and it has only one page and the page number at the end. So this is how we use this tech maker. Same is the case with Tech Studio, and same is the case with Technic Center. All of them work in exactly the same way. So in the next tutorial, we will see how to create a proper complete document with title pages, with different levels of headings, table of contents, etc. So this is all for this tutorial. Thank you.